Today let's learn how to add a gift message option on checkout fields using text area field. Within the Checkout Fields Editor, locate the section, Billing, Shipping, or Additional Fields where you'd like to add a custom field. Use the interface to drag and drop text area field into your preferred order. After adding the text area field, enter a custom label to display on the front end. Add a conditional logic option to the field, as add the conditional group, enter the condition as category, relation as is in, enter the category in the below dropdown. After configuring the date and time field, such as setting label, placeholder, click the Save button to apply the changes. This ensures the field is added to the checkout form. Add a product to the cart, which is included in the same category, and proceed to checkout. Locate the gift message you just created. Enter a test message to ensure the field accepts input correctly and appears as expected. Now you have learned how to add a gift message field using text area field. Thank you, and have a nice day.